how to share a screen on Discord. That's what we're going to do in today's video. But first, make sure to like the video, hit the subscribe button, it helps a lot, and let's get started. Here is Discord, and we're gonna get into a call. And inside the call, as you can see, here is beside the video button, beside the video camera button, you can find the share screen button with the monitor with an arrow inside it. And when you click on it, you can have here the applications that you may share, and you can choose also to share the entire screen. Click on it, and as you can see, here are the options for sharing. As you can see, we can choose the stream quality, the resolution, or the frame rate also. And after that, when we press on go live, now my screen is shared. And that was all for today in today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comments any suggestion for any future tutorials that you want to see, and have a nice day.